Several natural herbs and plants have been traditionally used to increase sperm fertility and motility. However, it's important to note that scientific evidence for the efficacy of these remedies is limited, and it's always advisable to consult a healthcare provider before using any herbal supplement. Here are some of the herbs and plants that are commonly used for male fertility. Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is an adaptogenic herb that has been traditionally used in Ayurveda to improve fertility and sexual function. Studies suggest that ashwagandha may help increase sperm count, motility, and semen volume. Maca root. Maca root is a Peruvian herb that has been used to improve fertility and sexual function in men and women. Studies suggest that maca root may help increase sperm count, motility, and semen volume. Tribulus terrestris. Tribulus terrestris is a Mediterranean herb that has been used to enhance male fertility and sexual function. Studies suggest that Tribulus terrestris may help increase sperm count and motility. Tawny goatweed. Tawny goatweed is a Chinese herb that has been used to treat male sexual dysfunction and infertility. Studies suggest that honey goatweed may help increase sperm count, motility, and semen volume. Panax ginseng. Panax ginseng is a Chinese herb that has been traditionally used to improve fertility and sexual function. Studies suggest that Panax ginseng may help increase sperm count and motility. Fenugreek. Fenugreek is an herb that is commonly used in Indian and Middle Eastern cuisine. It has been traditionally used to enhance male fertility and sexual function. Studies suggest that fenugreek may help increase sperm count and motility. Saw palmetto. Saw palmetto is an herbal remedy that is commonly used to treat prostate problems. It has also been used to improve male fertility and sexual function. Studies suggest that saw palmetto may help increase sperm count and motility. Garlic. Garlic is a commonly used culinary herb that has been shown to have potential benefits for male fertility. It's believed to improve sperm count, motility, and quality. Tribulus arlatus. Tribulus arlatus is a plant that is native to the Middle East and North Africa. It's believed to have similar benefits to Tribulus terrestris, including increasing testosterone levels and improving sperm count, motility, and quality. Mucuna pruriens. Mucuna pruriens, also known as velvet bean, is a tropical legume that has been used in traditional Ayurvedic medicine to enhance male fertility. It contains a compound called L-dopa, which has been shown to increase testosterone levels and improve sperm count and motility. Ginkgo biloba. Ginkgo biloba is a tree native to China that has been used for centuries to enhance male fertility. It contains compounds that have been shown to improve blood flow and circulation, which can help improve sperm count and motility. Sustanche deserticola. Sustanche deserticola is a plant that grows in the deserts of China and Mongolia. It has been used in traditional Chinese medicine to enhance male fertility. Studies have shown that it can increase testosterone levels and improve sperm count and motility. Scosandra chinensis. Scosandra chinensis is a Chinese herb that has been used to enhance male fertility. It contains compounds that have been shown to increase testosterone levels and improve sperm count and motility. Nigella sativa. Nigella sativa, also known as black seed, is an herb that has been used in traditional Arabic medicine to enhance male fertility. Studies have shown that it can improve sperm count, motility, and morphology. It's important to note that while these herbs and plants may have potential benefits for male fertility, they should not be used as a substitute for medical treatment. If you are experiencing fertility problems, it's essential to consult a healthcare provider to determine the underlying cause and develop an appropriate treatment plan. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell button icon for the latest updates. Keep visiting the channel and also share with friends and family.